Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're a proud Nissan Altima owner, you're in the right place. Today, I've got something exciting for you: seat covers that not only protect your seats but also add a touch of style and comfort to your ride. Finding the perfect fit can be tricky, but don't worry, I've done the research for you. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 Nissan Altima seat covers on the market, each offering something unique to elevate your driving experience. So, whether you're looking for durability, luxury, or a splash of color, I've got you covered. So check the link in the description below to grab your favorite and give your Ultima the upgrade it deserves. Number 1. Uruan car seat covers. Waterproof leather, universal for Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Accord, Nissan Altima, Sentra, Rogue, Kia, Hyundai, VW, Subaru, Acura RDX, and Ford. Full set/black is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's interior with a stylish and practical solution. Designed with a universal fit, this seat cover set is compatible with 95% of vehicles, including sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, crossovers, pickup trucks, crew cabs, vans, and EVs, making it a versatile option for various car models. Crafted from high-grade leather, these seat covers provide maximum comfort and durability, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in all seasons. The material is not only breathable but also waterproof and wear-resistant, making it easy to maintain and clean. This feature is particularly beneficial for families, pet owners, or anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. The Uruan seat covers also come with a thoughtful storage design, including pockets on the front seat backs that offer convenient storage for items such as cell phones, laptops, and magazines, helping to keep your vehicle organized and clutter-free. Safety is a top priority with these seat covers, as they are designed to be compatible with airbags. Ample space is provided to ensure that the airbags are never obstructed, offering peace of mind while driving. Installation is a breeze with the Uruan car seat covers, as no tools are required. The package includes clear instructions, and the installation process can be completed in just 25 minutes. Watching the installation video provided on the product page is highly recommended to ensure a proper fit and secure installation. Once installed, these seat covers will stay in place, providing a snug and secure fit that enhances the look of your vehicle's interior. Perfectly suitable for Nissan Altima seat covers, the Uruan car seat covers offer a blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Number 2. Luckyman Club Ultima seat covers are the perfect upgrade for your 2013 to 2024 Nissan Altima S, SR, SV, SL, or Platinum sedan, offering a combination of style, protection, and comfort. These seat covers are meticulously designed to be vehicle-specific, ensuring a seamless fit that enhances your car's interior while safeguarding the seats. Crafted from high-quality waterproof faux leather in a sleek black and gray color scheme, these covers protect against spills, stains, pet hair, and harmful UV rays, maintaining your car's interior in pristine condition. The covers feature a soft sponge middle layer for added comfort, making long drives more enjoyable, while the anti-skid bottom layer keeps the covers securely in place, preventing any shifting during use. What sets these seat covers apart is the attention to detail in their design. The rear bottom cover is a single piece, providing a clean and unified look without the common 3-piece division found in other seat covers. Additionally, the front headrests are fully covered, ensuring no exposed sides and a snug, custom appearance. Safety and compatibility are top priorities. The covers are designed to allow airbag deployment in case of an emergency, and they do not interfere with the use of baby safety seats or seatbelt buckles, which remain fully exposed and easy to access. Available in various colors, these seat covers allow you to personalize your vehicle's interior to match your style, giving your Nissan Altima a fresh, modern look. With a 30-day Amazon Prime money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty, Luckyman Club ensures that you are fully satisfied with your purchase, providing peace of mind and confidence in your investment. These seat covers are an ideal choice for anyone seeking premium protection and a stylish upgrade for their Nissan Altima, making them a must-have accessory for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Number 3. Uruan SE2 front car seat covers are an exceptional addition to your vehicle, particularly if you're looking for Nissan Altima seat covers that offer both style and protection. Crafted with a premium design, these seat covers feature 3D modeling and a 360 degrees full enclosure, ensuring that your original seats are fully protected while adding a luxurious touch to your car's interior. The sleek black design, combined with integrated lumbar support, provides an ergonomic and comfortable seating experience, making every drive more enjoyable. The universal fit of these seat covers means they are compatible with most sedans, SUVs, and trucks, including popular models like the Toyota Tacoma, Subaru Outback, Ford Ranger, Toyota Corolla, and Nissan Rogue. Constructed from high-quality leather, these covers are not only soft to the touch but also waterproof and easy to clean, ensuring they maintain their pristine appearance for a long time. They offer efficient protection against spills, stains, pet hair, and harmful UV rays, preserving the integrity of your vehicle's original seats. Installation is a breeze, taking just about 15 minutes, even for beginners, thanks to the straightforward installation guide included in the package. If any issues arise during the installation process, Uruan's customer service is readily available to assist, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Additionally, these seat covers come with a 30-day money-back guarantee through Amazon Prime, providing peace of mind with your purchase. This product is perfect for those who want to upgrade their Nissan Altima's interior with a stylish and durable solution, while also being compatible with a wide range of other vehicles, such as the Toyota RAV4, Kia Sportage, Volkswagen Jetta, and VW Tiguan. The color-fast nature of the leather ensures that the seat covers will remain vibrant, and their durability promises long-term use, making them a worthwhile investment for your car. Number 4. Tomatoman car seat covers offer an excellent solution for those looking to enhance their vehicle's interior while providing robust protection. Designed for a universal fit, these seat covers are compatible with various vehicle types, including cars, sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, pickup trucks, crew cabs, vans, and electric vehicles. This full set of covers comes in a sleek black and blue design, making it a stylish addition to your Kia Soul, Nissan Altima, Sentra, Maxima, Rogue, Corolla, Camry, Cobalt, Cruze, Impala, Malibu, Sonic, Ford Fusion, and Escape. One of the standout features of these seat covers is their perfect fit, achieved through a thoughtful side zipper design that ensures easy installation. The snug fit not only enhances comfort but also makes the covers wear-resistant, durable, and waterproof, offering maximum protection against spills and stains. The non-slip bottom cloth is designed to keep the covers securely in place, giving you peace of mind while driving. Safety is a top priority with the Tomatoman seat covers, as they are designed to be compatible with airbags and seatbelt slots, ensuring that safety features remain unobstructed. The covers also accommodate child safety seats and come with a convenient pocket for storing essentials like cell phones, laptops, and magazines, helping you keep your vehicle organized. These car seat covers are not just practical, they elevate your car's interior, often attracting compliments from passengers. They make an excellent gift for your husband, family members, or friends who appreciate style and functionality in their vehicles. Be sure to refer to the manual or watch the installation video for the best results when fitting these covers into your vehicle. Number 5. Adur car seat covers are the perfect blend of luxury and practicality, designed specifically for Nissan Altima models from 2001 to 2024. These premium Napa leather seat covers are tailored to fit seamlessly, enhancing both the look and feel of your vehicle's interior. Crafted from multi-layer composite material, these seat covers offer exceptional durability and protection. The top layer of wear-resistant leather ensures that the seat covers are scratch-resistant and built to withstand everyday wear and tear, while the high-resilience sponge and non-slip backing fabric provide superior comfort and stability. This combination not only adds a touch of sophistication to your Ultima but also ensures a secure and comfortable driving experience. Cleaning is a breeze with these seat covers. The waterproof Napa leather allows for easy maintenance. Spills and stains can be quickly wiped away with a wet towel or paper towel. Designed to withstand the rigors of family life, the wear-resistant leather is resistant to damage from pets' claws and sharp objects, making it ideal for households with children or animals. Safety and convenience are top priorities with the Adur seat covers. They are engineered to accommodate seatbelt ports and airbag deployment, ensuring that your safety features function as intended. In the event of an emergency, the airbag will deploy without obstruction, providing peace of mind for you and your passengers. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included instructions and installation video, allowing you to fit the covers in less than 30 minutes. Whether you're upgrading your vehicle's style or seeking enhanced protection, the Adur car seat covers deliver on both fronts. In conclusion, upgrading your Nissan Altima with high-quality seat covers not only enhances your vehicle's interior but also protects your seats from wear and tear. With various styles, materials, and colors available, you can find the perfect seat covers that reflect your personal style while providing comfort and durability. Whether you choose custom fit options or universal covers, investing in seat protection is a smart choice for any Ultima owner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Share this video for more updates and tips on keeping your Ultima looking its best.